Should we straighten out the boxes though?
No, let it be as natural as
natural as possible.
Like as up as it can be.
Yeah.
Tells a little insight into our very lives. Although our cars are amazing, everything else is falling apart.
What did that customer say about my car? It was like, this car was my hero until I saw it in person.
Don't meet your heroes.
Don't meet your heroes.
Why?
So with the timing system, a lot of times customers ask when do they got to do a timing job. With the chains that have the multiple links, you don't really have to. It's not really a stretching problem, as much as these guides wear inside. And I'll take one apart just so you guys could see it. So you could almost kind of see the wear on the oil. This is the guides for the oil pump. Well, this is the tensioner for the oil pump chain. And you kind of see the wear marks there, but this one's pretty good condition here. There's some that they really groove in, and then the color gets darker on here. So as the oil seeps into it, changing the color with heat and time, and they end up cracking. Sometimes they'll crack and break, and then you'll start hearing a noise coming from the timing system.
On another episode of I Have a Friend That Can Do It For Cheaper.
You are that friend.